people be mad with me, say you all on the television and you can't speak and you say ain't and you should try to speak better. I told him this year, I say, well, boy, I'd rather say I is rich other than to say I am broke. Now you can believe that.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR, and today I'm sharing a fantastic recipe that's going to be your kitchen staple. You won't have to worry about slicing and dicing those onions, garlic, etc. every time you have to make a meal. Now, this is a Haitian recipe, but this is my version of it, and this is just a great way to have your spices ready to go so you can start your meal. All right, so first up, we've got these organic green onions. Next, I'm gonna throw in some yellow onions and a mix of peppers. I'm gonna add this fresh basil. I actually grow it myself, and then a handful of garlic because we love that in our food, and a handful of parsley. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. This is more so to keep your spices fresh in the jar for 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. I'm going to be using this garlic infused extra virgin cold press olive oil. You can use any type of olive oil. I add in some cloves. I'll be using half of an organic bouillon cube. And my all-time favorite, if you're new here, I use Vegeta all seasoning spice in everything. And I'm not shy with the Cayenne Pepper. Now when I blend this, I don't go overboard. I want to keep some texture and not turn it into soup is key. Voila, this is what we're looking for. Not too runny, just perfect. It's going to make your meal taste so good, especially if you're someone who's not good with spices, things like that. I also added a pinch of Himalayan salt off camera. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Kiss me like you wanna be.